Cogiello खेल सुरु गर्दै. Supporting him, Barbosa. Inside the box is Hizazi. Can he find the खेलाडी मैदानमा आउँछ भने यो चान्स बुया टुरेको लागि आमाजु डियोप.
पहिलो अस्त्र वार भएको छ धनगढी म्याच.
लेस्पीको यो पास उत्कृष्ट बुया टुरेको लागि. बुया टुरे lifts it up to Diop and Cogiello को प्रयास.
Feeder यहाँ Cogiello को shot, it was goal written all over. Wonderful footwork, Jauni. Pass दिँदै. Oh! Calm down. I am here. Finally, after trying so many times. 5 मिनटमा प्रवेश गरेका छौं. Kritish with that wonderful magical foot. Hizazi can make it too, and he does.
The magical fit of Kritish Ratna Chunju. Beautiful setup, beautiful goal. Kuldeep lai feri pani mauka. Barbosa ka hat trick. Yes, it's a hat trick. So there. Yes, it's his third goal. The first hat trick of NSL.